Dirty shark filters smell, they make you lose suction, and eventually they will kill your motor. In today's video, I'm going to show you why it's so important to clean them. Then I'm going to show you how to clean them. And thirdly, I'm going to show you where there's a filter that everyone forgets about. So why is it so important? Well, firstly, let's take a look at suction. You've got a dirty filter directly on top of the motor, and then you expect the air to travel through the filter and all the way through your vacuum cleaner. It's not happening. It's like putting your hand over your mouth and then trying to suck. It doesn't work. So that's the first important part. Secondly, there's another filter in the front of the vacuum cleaner that stops the dust from re-entering your room. If that gets blocked, the motor starts to overheat. And if your other filter's blocked too, then your motor's just going crazy and not getting anywhere. So yeah, filters are the most important thing to maintain on your shark. How do we clean the filters? Well, firstly, we'll start with the sponge one and the pad one that sits below it too. We're just going to literally take it to a warm tap, we're going to spray something nice smelling on it, and then something like Zaflora or something, or even some soapy water, whatever. We're just going to clean it under the tap. Now, last time I said this, I had people commenting saying, Shark said that you shouldn't use any detergents. Well, I invite Shark to come and smell some of my customers' filters. They might change their mind. It's not hurting anything. You want your filter to smell nice, so put your favourite smelling thing on it. Once the water runs clear from the filter when you've been washing it under your tap, we need to dry it for 24 hours. Put it on top of a radiator and just leave it. Do not use it in your vacuum cleaner. If you want to carry on vacuuming, you can buy an extra filter kit to use as a spare. That way, you've always got one in your vacuum. You can do this on the link in the top corner. Now we have the other filter that sits in front of all the upright vacuum cleaners. On stick vacuum cleaners, you will still have one of these, so the theory is exactly the same. Right, this stops the dust from re-entering the room, so it gets full of dust. We need to take it out, and then if you've got one of these black sponge filters in yours, just clean that under the tap like you did with the other sponge filter. But this pleated one, I take it over the bin first and brush out as much dust as I can. Bang it on the side of the bin, whatever. We need to get all the dust out. Then, like the other one, we take it to a tap and we clean it, spraying some nice things inside. The important thing with this filter though is try and get every little bit of dust. If you get a little nugget of dust that absorbs all the water and all the dirt, it smells horrific afterwards. I'm not a massive fan actually of cleaning these, but sharks say you can. Again, like the other filter, don't put it back on your vacuum cleaner. We need to leave it to dry overnight for 24 hours. With your vacuum cleaner filters being perfectly clean now, your suction will be amazing. But if it isn't, please see my other video about finding a blockage and all the other causes of suction loss. It will really help you. Now I want to just quickly finish off by looking at the permanent filter that's in all the Shark vacuum cleaners. It is inside the bin and it's the one that everyone doesn't even think about. If that's blocked, then it's creating a barrier in front of your motor. Your suction will be bad. You can clean this with a dry toothbrush, a microfiber cloth, anything you like. I tend not to wet these, okay? Because I have no idea, I just don't. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for loads of other shark videos, including this next one that shows you how to clean the soft roller on the front of your floor tool.